Hey everyone, Renee DeKroub here from the DeKroub team, and I'm here with Chad Kanyo, my team lead, top producing buyer's agent, and we're going to talk about buying a home.
Hi, I'm Chad Kanyo. I am the lead associate agent going on my 5th year with the DeKroub team. My job here is provide outstanding customer service to all of our clients/family, as well as assist in the training of our buyer's agents to perform at the high standards that we have set in this industry. I originally partnered with Tony and Renee because we had very similar visions as we truly strive to help our clients and customers throughout the whole process. I mean, there are literally thousands of salespeople in South Michigan. You will never be just a number with us when you choose the DeKroub team. You'll actually become part of our family as we go through the journey together through the years and decades that we work with you. Experience the DeKroub difference today.